Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Leilani Maurelia Firsty. I'm from Physics offering N. I want to present about straight motion. The first amount of rectangular motion is divided by 2, that's a position and displacement. Position in the context of rectangular linear motion refers to the location or position of an object at a certain point in a straight path. Position is a quantity used to identify where an object is at a certain time. The second is displacement. Displacement is a quantity that measures the change in position of an object during movement. It shows how far the object has moved from beginning to the end of the movement in a straight line. Displacement can be expressed in units of length such as meter or kilometer. Displacement divided by 3 parts. The first is distance, the second is speed, and the third is acceleration. Distance is defined as quantity that shows the total length of the path traveled by an object during rectilinear motion. Distance is defined as a scalar quantity, which means it does not take into account the direction of movement, only the total length of the path speed. The second is speed. Speed measurement how far an object moves per unit time. It is a vector quantity that has magnitude or numerical value and direction. Speed can be expressed in various units such as meter per second or kilometer per hour. The third is acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity that measures the change in the speed of an object per unit time. Acceleration can be positive acceleration or increasing speed, or negative acceleration is a slowing down. The unit is meter per second square, or the quantities above are very important in understanding and analyzing linear motion and movement phenomena in physics. They help measurement, modeling, and explaining various aspects of the movement and creation of object in a straight path. And there's a two classification of straight motion. The first one is uniform straight motion, and the second one is rectangular motion changes uniformly. Uniform straight motion is following are several forms of rectangular motion, namely uniform straight motion. Uniform straight motion is a term to describe the movement of an object in a straight path, where the object changes position at a constant speed in the same time interval. In the context of uniform rectangular motion, object will always cover the same distance in the same time. For example, if a bicycle moves and cover a distance of 3 meters in 1 second, then in the next second the bicycle will cover the same distance again, and so on. In other words, there is a ratio between the distance traveled and the time interval is always constant, so that the speed remains constant throughout the movement. The formula of uniform straight motion is S equals v xt, where v equals speed, s is distance, t is time. The second is rectilinear motion change uniformly. Straight motion change uniformly is a term that refers to the movement of an object in a straight path, whereas the speed changes regularly every second. As we already know, the change in speed every second is called acceleration. Therefore, is in straight motion change uniformly, objects experience acceleration consistently or steadily. In straight motion change uniformly, objects move in a straight path constant acceleration. In other words, the main characteristic of straight motion change uniformly is that over time the speed of the object changes. At first it gets faster, but then can slow down until finally stop. This shows that straight motion change uniformly involves regular change in velocity along the movement of an object in a straight path. The formula is Vt equals a times t plus v0, and s equals v0 times t plus half a2 quadrant. That's my presentation today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.